Okay, go. Keep going. Holy cow. You skid the brakes? No. You gonna do a skid?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I hear the skid.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I did skid.
Cool.
But I can't see it.
Yeah.
This dark road.
Did Lewis make those skids?
These are not skids.
Those are skids, yeah. Spinning
No,
out.
they're burnouts.
Oh, they're burnouts, right? Did Lewis do that in the truck?
Yep.
Cool.
Well, that truck.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Okay, go again. Real fast.
I'm going to stay in this line.
Okay.
Oh, my friends are not home.
No?
They have a blue car.
They got a blue car?
Yeah, and they live right here.
Oh, okay.
And they're not even home because they don't see their car. Because they only have one car.
Oh, car coming.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
We both said car. Oh no, it's going to run over me.
No, you're okay.
It's going to run over me.
Yeah.
How are you going to run over me?
You gotta be careful.
That's actually a truck.
That is a truck, yeah. It's a Dodge truck.
I bought the Dodge.
That's who makes it. Dodge makes it.
What's a Dodge?
You gonna keep riding?
I'm trying.
Okay.
What the heck?
You're so good at that. Cool, dude.